Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video in the Spontaneous Qigong series. In this video I'll make it a little shorter just to talk about one specific aspect of Spontaneous Qigong. As you may notice in the image, I'm doing some hand mudras. Mudras are basically fingers positioned, connecting each other, connecting different meridians or energy circuitry within the body. And so this is something that can occur spontaneously. My personal guess is that the actual original mudra probably happened spontaneously to those who decided to write about it originally. And naturally, as you're going through your spontaneous Qigong training, at some point you might start to feel the intensity of the Qi connecting different fingers together. Sometimes it's just one or two fingers together, sometimes it can be three or four, and you can end up with very interesting ways of connecting the fingers together, which activate certain part of the brain in a particular sequence. Sometimes you'll have mudras that you'll change regularly. Sometimes you'll hold one as you're doing different Qigong movement. There's really, in the spontaneous Qigong concept, there's really no specific way to go at it because you're not thinking or trying to reach a particular effect. You're actually allowing your body to express itself and to do what it needs to do. So in example, in this situation, I didn't think about mudra. It's not something that I do often in my spontaneous Qigong. It just happened. So feeling how connecting the fingers together and with certain movement will increase certain sensations or open up certain pathways that will become much more perceivable as you do your training can be a very interesting experience to have as we're doing it. In this next sequence, the sensation to me was very interesting. It was almost like an Indian dance type of perception from the inside, and it's now interesting to see it from the outside through the recorded video and see how very similar it actually looks like in certain very codified particular hand posture and arm movement of these dancing, and the sensation from the inside, stretching the center column, connecting the two extremities of it, feeling the Wei Qi field expand as the hand moved to the side, was a very beautiful experience to feel, and then gently pulling the Qi more through the center of the body, playing with the central axis. Before finishing this part or the sequence of the spontaneous session, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment below. Click the thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.